Every single day, thousands of trains pass each other at highway speeds, loaded with people, loaded with chemicals, and loaded with cargo worth billions.
And billions and billions and billions and billions.
And almost nobody thinks about who is stopping those trains from crashing into each other. Not politicians, not college professors, not Wall Street. It's one job, one skilled trade, one role so critical to national safety that if it disappears for even a moment, entire cities shut down. Today, I'm exposing one of the highest paid, least talked about, and most critical skilled trades in America. A job with federal certification, no college degree, starting pay around $85,000 and topping out well over $150,000 a year. This is rail signal technician. What's going on, everyone? I'm JV Charles, and this is BIGPay Trades here on JV Charles TV. This channel exists for one reason: to expose the real high-paying skilled trades that actually keep America running. Jobs schools don't promote, jobs guide and counselors never mention, and jobs that quietly build generational wealth without a college degree. In today's trade, this one literally keeps trains from crashing. So what is a rail signal technician? Let me say this clearly. A rail signal technician is the brain and nervous system of the railroad network. Tracks don't decide when trains move, signals do. Switches don't magically align themselves, technicians make that happen. Crossings don't protect the public on their own, rail signal technicians make sure those gates drop at the exact right second. If signal fails, people die. That's not hype, that's reality. Rail signal technicians install, maintain, inspect, and repair train control signals, switch machines, track circuits, railroad crossing systems, communication and safety interlocks, centralized traffic control systems, and automatic block signaling. They ensure every train knows where it can go, when it can go, and when it must go. So why is this job so critical? Here's something most people don't understand. Railroads don't operate on trust. They operate on redundancy and fail-safes. Every signal system is designed so that the failure defaults to stop. That's safety logic. That's engineering philosophy. It's built, tested, and maintained by rail signal technicians. Without them, passenger rail collapses, freight rail halts, hazardous materials pile up, and supply chains freeze. Cities grind to a stop. This isn't just a job, this is national infrastructure defense. Now the pay, you're talking about $85,000 to $150,000 a year. Let's talk big money, because this is BIGPay Trades, right? Entry-level rail signal technicians commonly start between $70,000 to $85,000 a year. With certification, seniority, overtime, and specialty systems, pay climbs fast. $100,000 to $120,000 a year for experienced technicians working major rail corridors. Freight networks or commuter systems routinely earn $140,000 a year. That's without a college degree. That's without student loan debt. That's high-paying skilled trades income with long-term security. And you're not going to need a degree, so let me destroy another myth right now. You don't need college to do this job. Rail signal technicians are trained through railroad-sponsored apprenticeships, union training programs, Federal Railroad Administration Standards or FRA, and on-the-job mentoring. You earn federally recognized certifications. That means your skills are portable nationwide. You're not locked into one state, and you're not locked into one company. If rail exists, your skills are needed. So what's the job look like? This isn't a desk job. This is not mindless labor. This is high responsibility technical work. Your day might include testing signal voltages, diagnosing communication faults, calibrating track circuits, replacing switch motors, inspecting crossing warning systems, reading wiring diagrams, programming control logic, coordinating with dispatch centers. You work outdoors, you work in all weather, and you work with absolute precision, because mistakes, they're not an option. Here's the truth schools don't teach. Pay follows responsibility, not degrees. Rail signal technicians carry life or death responsibility, and that's why they're paid. Rail companies don't gamble with safety. Governments don't cut corners on signals. When something breaks, they call you. Now listen carefully. America's rail infrastructure is aging. Billions of dollars are being poured into passenger rail expansion, high-speed rail corridors, freight modernization, smart signaling systems, and positive train control, or PTC. PTC alone created a massive demand for signal technicians nationwide, And here's the problem for rail companies. Older technicians are retiring faster than they can be replaced. That means faster hiring, higher wages, more overtime, and long-term job security. This trade is recession resistant. When the economy slows, infrastructure spending increases. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Rail accidents don't happen because trains malfunction. They happen because systems fail. Rail signal technicians exist to make sure that trains don't enter occupied blocks, switches align correctly, speed restrictions are enforced, and crossing gates activate on time. Human error is overridden by automation. They design systems where one mistake doesn't cause a catastrophe. That's real engineering, and that's real responsibility. So what about union versus non-union? Most rail signal work is unionized. That means strong wages, health care, retirement plans, pensions, and job protections. Unions like IBEW, Brotherhood of Railroad Signalmen, Smart Transportation Division, these aren't weak unions. These are old school infrastructure unions with serious leverage. This isn't a dead-end job. Rail signal technicians advance into senior technician roles, signal inspectors, signal supervisors, system engineers, train instructors, and project managers. Many end up consulting, training, or overseeing entire rail divisions. You don't need to be a math genius. You do need mechanical aptitude, electrical understanding, attention to detail, discipline, problem-solving skills, and safety-first mindset. If you can troubleshoot, follow procedures, and think logically, then you can do this. So why isn't anybody talking about this job? It's simple. It doesn't fit the college narrative. There's no flashy social media clout, no influencer hype, and no diploma to brag about. But there is money, there is security, and there is purpose. And that's why this job stays quiet. And this is why the job matters to America. Because rail signal technicians don't just work for companies, they work for public safety, national commerce, infrastructure resilience, and economic stability. Without them, nothing moves. So here's a final reality check. If you want high-paying skilled trade with no college debt, federal certification, long-term security, national demand, and real responsibility, then rail signal technician might be one of the smartest career moves in America. If this video opened your eyes, hit like so YouTube pushes this truth even further. Subscribe to BIGPay Trades at JV Charles TV because we expose real money, real work, and real careers. And comment below, would you do this job? I'm JV Charles. I'm out.